There you go. Oh, perfect timing, dude. Right when he turned his lights off. Boom. Who the fuck's coming this way? Chad?
Oh, yeah. Lou's gonna hurry and come back, and Lou's just gonna be a fucking
melted.
skeleton.
Why is he in there?
I'm getting his gold teeth, dude.
That's pretty good timing to run for the rigs. Pretty good timing to run for it. We'll see what happens. We'll hang out for a while. Yeah. I got one right now. I'm recording right now. Wait for it. Wait. Oh, dude, it's like daytime. I've got a bunch of good ones on mine. I'm rolling my window up now. You want to get in with us like a cool kid? All right, making some room, Mike. Just fold that seat down and see what goes under the seat. There we go.
I'm glad you guys just see me.
Yeah, I'm on. Who the fuck's walking over
Oh,
there?
is that one of the flaggers? Oh, yeah. Dude, we used to get some. Dude, this is how it used to be. Britt said something today about the weather. I'm like, this is how it fucking used to be every summer.
Right.
Thunderstorms and shit. I remember as a kid. Way more water. This side is fucking awesome. This sucks. Ow!
Yeah, what's that top?
Oh, did you get the rack? Yeah! These baskets don't ever want to get done. Did you know how slick those the other earlier when it was raining a little bit? Oh yeah. Those things were fucking slick.
Not my problem.
The shitter, he's all crying. He's all sitting there crying.
It stinks in here, I'm gonna die. Blue fucking poo.
Oh, that's a good one, man. Only 3.5 minutes. I bet I have 10 badass fucking strikes on here.
Not lying. I want to see a car get zapped.
That would be crazy on video.
Oh yeah. Well, we need one water truck tonight.
Yeah. I wonder how Charlie's doing. I wonder if his trailer leaks.
Big old metal box. He's probably shitting himself. Oh shit! God damn it! I looked right at it.
But, oh yeah.
That's
Oh.
I can't believe Blue's still in the hoe. You can't go back. Blue's gonna be gone.
Driving away, you mean?
Sam got in a haul truck.
Actually, it's got the biggest tires. It's probably the safest.
Yesterday we left our rain jackets outside.
I saw it too. I was on the way by. I'm all, nope. Meow.
I did not. Mine's right here.
That was funny. I just told Lou, I'm all, well, if it gets a whole lot closer, we'll probably just call it and go in the rigs for a while. And he goes, that's a good idea. Literally 10 seconds later, it's all, boom. And everybody's all, see ya.
Did you see me up top?
I heard you. I'm all,
time out, time out. It sounded like it was right above us on the hill right there.
Yeah, that was funny, dude. Everybody's like, yeah, fuck this. I told the inspector guy, I'm all, yep, we're gonna sit in the rigs for safety, and he goes, oh, it's close. I'm like, yeah, no shit.
I wonder if Charlie's awake.
Fuck, you think?
Did he lock himself in there? Did he lock the gate in there?
I don't know.
It's a good one.
Yeah. Holy crap, that was just daytime out here.
I remember.
I know I told Jesse earlier we need to turn the light plan off safe fuel and it'll work when the lightning goes off. Yeah, ready to go. Blah, blah, blah.
Remember we were watching one down at Dad's a long time ago. Probably about 10, but we had one that went like, you know how we're in that little fucking canyon?
So they just
It
going.
went right down the middle of the fucking canyon.
Oh
dude.
my
It was
God.
So loud.
Gully washer too.
All right, at least the rain's backing off.
We need to turn it to hail or something. That sucked. We already did that show this year.
Yeah.
No, I've only been back for a month and I've been through like 4 lightning storms already with you guys.
Fucking perfect paving weather, huh, Chad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, that one was
That's a gnarly
sick.
one.
It was straight up down, then there was a curly Q right next to it.
Yeah.
That was fucking
You know what
trippy.
you do?
God damn it! I want the rain to stop and roll my window down.
Oh, that's when I hit my head on the rack sticks.
Yeah, it's the dumbest thing I ever seen. It's a hell of a show. What time is it?
10?
11 or something.
Was it 11?
Yeah, I don't know.
He was in the shitter crying. Oh man.
I don't want to die.
Yep, that's a good one.
Jesse, when I was a kid, we used to do the Montana trips. It'd be like going into the Alps, you know, kind of style stuff. And you get up there like 10,000 feet, and this would do this all night, and you're just in a little fucking tent.
Yeah.
Start raining and wind blowing, and you're like, fuck. Echoing off because you're like in a bowl, you
That's what
know.
I was telling Derek. Dude, this kid did it a long time ago, and it was a storm a lot like this, dude. We saw it coming, and we were like, well,
Oh, that one looks.
if we run, we can get back over the fucking ridge and down to the house in about an hour. And I'm like, what do you think? He's like, fuck it, let's go for it, man. So we packed our shit up right away. And dude, by the time we got down and into the cabin, oh, that was a good one. It pretty much was right on us. His fucking dad was so pissed.
Yeah, we
What
got.
you guys doing? Run around.
My bike Chuck got stuck in a bad one in Montana. We took the horses and rode like 5 miles over into this canyon like this to go fishing. And we're down in the bottom of the canyon, and you could hear it in the middle of the day. You could hear it coming, but it was, you know, fuck
way
there.
out
So
there.
we go riding the horses out of the canyon. Well, to get from the tree line to the cabin is like 2 miles of open prairie.
Oh, fuck.
And we're just popping all around us, and we're under this tree, it's raining. And I'm like, fuck it, we did the Snowy River ride, dude, just hauling
Hey,
ass.
you know he's been struck by lightning 7 times. One time he was just riding his horse.
Oh, Smokey?
Get it on lightning?
Don't touch my water, dude.
What's in the truck?
Water on my food. Trying to give me a hand job.
Dude, that one a minute ago was fucking like right above us. Bam, sideways.
Sam didn't know it was a different story.
Yeah, this one time at Bandcamp, guys.
He just looks over. He's all, lightning makes me horny.
Do you have any scream music we can play?
Oh my god.
There's no coming back from that. He's already done in my book. I just can't.
Oh, that
Really,
was
he
a
doesn't
fucking good one.
Dude,
I
he's
know,
looking right at him.
Fuck out of me.
Where do you want the baskets at? Yeah, at the other end of the job.
Dude.
I couldn't hear him. I'm going, what are you?
I'm like, why are you asking him? He wants your fucking validation for everything. I'm like, bro, they were all right there already. Put him right there.
Well, I thought Lou was the boss.
Oh, he is. Well, he's such a nut. So.
I wanted to hit one of these rigs right here close by.
I know. I want to see it and hear it at the
Jesse,
same
you've probably
time.
seen it when they, after the fact, you go up to a tree and it misses all the branches going down.
Oh, yeah.
You ever seen that? It's crazy. This big strip missing off the tree, and everywhere there's a branch and lightning goes around it.
There's one up right when you go up Long Canyon. Dad and I found a long time ago. It was a big old fucking. It was at least.
You know why it does that, right, Chad? It follows the water channels in the tree.
You know,
Oh,
shrapnel.
yeah.
I think it's time to go to bed.
Okay, got awkward.
Sorry, Corky, you got what had to be done.
That one that hit Ready the other day, I was in the shower and I could feel it in my feet. The whole shower vibrated.
Whoa, Christ.
Fucking lights up and Bigfoot's just chilling out in front of the truck.
Sitting there with a big old fucking
Derek,
limb.
did you see that post about Bigfoot for real?
Oh look, Charlie just texted me. This is crazy. Lightning in the quarry.
Oh, I bet it's hitting up there.
He's all, bro, what the fuck? This is crazy lightning in the quarry.